Hey guys, it is Kim and Keandra.
Hi.
So we are here today, of course, with our vlog. It's week 2. We didn't vlog yesterday. We had some work that we had to get done yesterday, and we had to get our video up. We got it up so late. We're so sorry. Doesn't normally come out that late. But yeah, we had to finish editing, so we didn't really get a chance to vlog. But here we are today, ready and in action.
Y'all. No, I'm just playing. No, but really, my hair, and this is ridiculous. I'm talking about my hair. Wait, I'm looking in the, okay.
Over there.
So, y'all, my hair, look at it. It ain't doing like what it was doing. You know why? Because I need to wash my hair. But I'm a naturalista. And naturalistas washing their hair all the time. Yeah, it's just a bunch of problems. But
When you wear it straight.
yeah, when you wear it straight. Yeah, when you wear it straight. I'm going back to my weave though in a couple of weeks. So, yeah. But yeah, y'all like my little puff, my little puff. I got this top from Zara. And I got these earrings from Target. They're by Bobble Bark and You Lift Up. Y'all, she don't understand.
Well, my arm is tired. You don't understand.
See, I be wanting angles. I don't care what none of y'all say. I be wanting angles. I said what I said. But yeah, so but yeah, I don't got nothing else to say. Yeah, I just be wanting to get on.
Well, however, so we're outside. If you guys are wondering, we're in the car and we're sitting outside. We're waiting because Keandra has an interview today. It was an impromptu interview.
Actually, it's a podcast.
Oh, a podcast.
And podcast. Wow, I'm trying to be so proper. It's and podcast. It's and podcast.
So yeah, she has a podcast. I don't know what you call it. I guess, are they not interviews?
I mean, yeah, I guess that would be considered.
I don't know. But she has it today. A friend of ours, with Rolling Out Magazine here in Atlanta. So a friend of ours she put up a post because somebody couldn't make their interview. So we're doing this impromptu favor for somebody because they were looking for highly influential people in Atlanta. And so our friend was like, oh, Keandra, it's a good one because, she's a gospel artist and everything. And so she has a lot going on right now. So she, felt like she'd be perfect. So we shout out to Faithy. We thank you so much for the plug, girl. And so, yeah, we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to take you guys in there, kind of show you guys a little bit of that, more of how she works in her day. So, yeah, well, we got to go because her liaison is come.
Welcome. It's Sucker Free Rashad Richie. I know you missed us last week, but we are back this week, still in the building. I'm Nicole English. Sucker Free Rashad Richie and friends. I'm the last friend standing. Hey, Mitchell. We got Joy Butler sitting in with us today.
Hi.
And we've got Keandra Lockett.
Hey.
Music extraordinaire.
Thank you.
Everything.
That sounds good to me.
With the smooth ass skin.
Yeah.
Go to hell.
I work.
Get her out of here.
I spend money on products.
You have to. Seriously. I sometimes do extra work at Sephora, and I didn't realize that you really have to buy the good shit.
Yeah.
Like, stop playing.
Yeah. But you know what? The low, the lower line, it works well too.
It just depends. I can't stand anything by Neutrogena.
You know what? No. I use their makeup wipes.
Keandra Lockett in the building. Music, beauty, influencer, and an entrepreneur. What's your business?
We sell apparel. It's called Jolie Noire.
Okay.
And it means pretty black in French.
Oh, cool.
Nice. Mm-hmm.
You tell just t-shirts or other stuff too?
Sweatshirts, t-shirts, dad caps, leggings. So it's athleisure wear.
So JOLIENOIRE. Is that the website?
.com. JolieXNoire.com.
Cool.
Mm-hmm.
That's interesting.
Thank you.
You have roots in France or Paris or anything, or you just like the way it sounds? Because that's what y'all black folks do.
The way it sounds, but I'm from Louisiana, so
right.
those are my roots.
Yeah, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Born and raised?
on the playground. That's where I spend most of my days.
What part of Louisiana?
Shreveport.
Oh yeah, influencer, entrepreneur. She's doing now. She's got clothes. She can sing.
She has a
Do
doll.
you sew too?
No, my
And
mom
a doll.
does.
Oh, and a doll. She's trying to learn how to make gumbo. We got a good show learning about her influences, what's going on in her life. It's Women's History Month, so every Tuesday we are going to feature a woman or women. Have to bring them in on the show, talk about what's going on. What woman has been the most inspirational to you in your life?
My mom.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, she's a nurse and she really works hard. We've not always had it easy at all. Nobody starts from the bottom.
Right.
But she's really pushed us from the bottom on up. Of course, her relationship with the Lord, and that's a really great example for me.
Mm-hmm.
She can get out here and get all big headed and stuff, but
What type of nurse is she?
she's an RN.
Cool.
She's the real nurse.
So you're not an only child?
No.
How many sisters and brothers you
I
have?
just have one sister.
One sister. Are you all close?
Mhm.
I would guess so.
I mean, they're real close. She's standing right there.
Right.
I think the plant and the pot are sold separate. But I like the feel of this too.
Oh yeah, it feels good.
But the thing that's tricking my eye is that it's on this thing here.
Well, it sits. Yeah, it sits. Oh, is that a real plant? Oh no, it's not a real plant.
Alright guys, so now I've gotten the mirror out of the box and here she is. She matches beautifully with my dresser that I got from Pottery Barn. I actually got this from Pottery Barn about 2 years ago from a Pottery Barn outlet, and then I just got this baby in. It was so heavy, you guys. It was like, you guys saw me probably struggling with it, getting it out of the box because it was so heavy. Let me give you guys a closer look at some of the details. So yeah, so this is the mirror. I was struggling getting it out of the box a little bit because it's so heavy. It's got to be about 60 pounds. I still have some of the little styrofoam on it. I have to clean it up and everything, but it is so pretty. I am so pleased with it. It doesn't have any scratches on it, guys. It's perfect. So it has these nice little metal L-shaped kind of bracket-like things with rivets on it, and it's really nice detailing. I was looking for a mirror that had the rivets on it, but I saw this one at West Elm and I was like, oh, that's really perfect because like it goes with like my shades of brown that I have, and it actually matches great with that. So usually a bark heart goes there. It's not styled yet, so I'm not going to show it, but that's my little lamp that I have. But I am so excited. These curtains right here I got from West Elm too. You guys will be able to see those a lot better in the makeover, whatever we call it, once we're done. We're almost done, guys, so we don't have very much more to go in terms of what we have to get. We just have to style it all and get it all ready for you guys. Now I have me an outfit of the day mirror. Every girl needs a leaning mirror. So it's like about 5'9"-ish. Because I'm 5'9" and it's leaning now. So it looks a little bit taller than me. It's a smidge taller than me, so it might be 6 feet. A 6 foot tall mirror. If not exactly 6 feet approaching. So yeah, it's a sizable mirror. It is solid wood, guys. Like, oh my gosh, I love solid wood furniture. So, and this mirror is no different. I love it. So the mirror comes with the wall mounting hardware and the instructions on how to mount it to your wall. I am not going to mount it to my wall because I don't have any children. It's just Keandra and I that live in our apartment, and we rarely have guests. It's leaning on the wall, so we don't need that right now. I don't think I'll ever need it, but because we've always had like some sort of mirror, even when we were, hello, sorry, when we were younger. So yeah. But yes, and it came on like this little cardboard piece that I'm about to throw away because I'm gonna put these little pieces in our extra hardware drawer. I absolutely love it. So yeah, I can't wait to show you guys the whole room and everything put together. But yeah, so it's kind of hot. I'm going to take me a shower, go to bed, guys. All right, bye. Hey everybody, so I am here. We're at Keandra's studio session. We're about to head out so that we can go to this, I think it's like a listening party for one of Keandra's industry. I think it's for Jonathan McReynolds, but yeah. But I'm just showing you guys what I'm wearing today. I have on my Jolie Noire t-shirt because it's kind of warm today. It's supposed to get up to 72 degrees today. And then I have on this belt, it's from ASOS. And then my Nike leggings. And then my Nike socks, and then my Nike shoes. I'm just Nike down from the bottom, which is weird. And then I have my Marc Jacobs bag. I think it's called the Snapshot 27. And then let me show you guys my makeup. So yeah, so I put just like this, it's Shea Moisture. I think it's called Mandalay Dusk. It's no longer in stock. It's like been out of stock for quite some time now. But I have that on my eyelid. Eyelids. Then I have the NYX Vivid Blue eyeliner, and then a pink lipstick with lip gloss over it. So it's really basic, nothing very fancy about the base look. And then I'm wearing my Valentino frames today instead of the Versace ones. I really like these because they have the studs on the top. I really don't wear these. I call these my special event glasses because it's so hard to keep these plastic frames from fading. So I don't wear these because these are my brand new glasses, and they were so expensive. I'm not going to wear these all the time. So, but yeah, I love them. They are really cute. We will probably vlog while we're there to let you guys see how everything looks, at least get some shots of everything. Hey guys, so we finally made it home. It is, oh golly, it's almost 10:30 at night. Keandra's session ran a little bit longer because we had to put that 2-hour break in it. But yeah, so she had a really good session. We can't wait till you guys hear the music. It's so good. All of it's just like really good music. And so we finished that. We had a really good time at the Jonathan McReynolds' listening party. He has really great music, so it's a lot of good music coming out here soon, and I'm really excited about it for gospel music, because the way that gospel music is going, it's sounding really good. It's not that hard, down home, singing like a lot of gospel singers do. Down home. And so, which is not really the style that I like. I know a lot of people do like it, so there's still a place for it. But, I think the new wave is really good too, because it, caters to some of us who are not so much into that hard singing style. I need to take this wig off, take my braids down. I'll probably do that tomorrow because I'm a little bit tired now. So I am probably going to just get in the shower, take this off, and go to bed because my head is kind of hurting. I think I have a sinus headache. But you guys be safe out there, because it seems like the coronavirus is getting even worse. But yeah, regardless of all of the politics and all of the ins and outs, you want to be safe first. Don't be one of those people who are, kind of like, oh, well, I'm going, traveling anyways. If you do go traveling anyways, please take caution, take care. But remember that if it gets to you and it doesn't, kill you, or you don't have the symptoms or anything like that, remember that you can be a carrier and you can pass it on to someone else. And it can be worse than someone else, and it can harm them. So while you may not be affected by it with it in you, someone else could be. So if that in and of itself is a reason to not travel right now. They're not saying don't travel indefinitely. Anyways, you guys have a good night. I hope you guys are liking this format and liking our vlogs. We are going to still continue our other content on our channel, so we're going to be doing reviews and other lifestyle things, but this just goes into our lifestyle. And we'll show you some of the food that we eat later on. We've not really been able to vlog this week because we just had so many different activities thrown at us that we were able to take you guys on. And we hope that you guys are enjoying those things, because we really enjoy doing those things too. But yeah, so you guys have a good night. We'll see you tomorrow. So guys, I just went and picked up this package from the office, and I'm so excited because it is the padded muscle shirt that a lot of the girls have been wearing, and I'm excited to try it on and see if it's plus size friendly. I looked at the size chart, and it did look like it was something that would fit me, the size large, because it runs big. It's an oversized, so I'm hoping that it looks good. So I'll show you guys how it looks once I try it on. Hey guys, so Keandra and I just got back from running a couple of errands. Today is Saturday. It's a very light day today. We're not doing very much today. We're about to just watch probably a movie or some YouTube or something like that. I did just get a package in, and I can't wait to try it on for you guys and let you guys see what it is. It's the muscle shirt. And so I'm just going to, like I said, see if it's plus size friendly. If it's not, it's always returnable. No problems. So one thing that I always like to recommend is that you shop everywhere. Do not leave any stones unturned, thinking that you can't fit something just because they don't market to you, because sometimes oversized things, they'll fit just fine. And you'll be able to enjoy them just like people who are straight size. So I cannot wait to try it on, and because I have some good ideas for outfits if it does fit. So I'll talk to you guys later.